I would like to apologize. It's taken me a couple of days to get to this one because y'all should have seen this truck way sooner than today. I'm sorry. It's a Fox factory vehicle. See the sticker on the back window? Casey, what are you talking about here? What we got going on? F-150 Rocky Ridge Fox factory. STX F-150. So it's one of the lower trim levels. Let's see what all we got right here. I'm kind of excited. All right. Most of the Rocky Ridge trucks are on higher trim level trucks, and so it makes them very, very, very expensive. Well, this is more of a lower trim level, but it gets all the good looking goodies. So it looks like we got a couple inches of lift. We got some fender flares. Got Rocky Ridge Gladiator head style. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. We got a number. Number 63. Oh, we got numbers? Oh, it's got exhaust? How much is this? 72. 72.5. Oh, I need a lift kit so we can get in and look at that window sticker. I want to know what all this has got. Let's climb up there and see. Ooh, 6-inch suspension lift. We got 2.0 rear shocks. Front end alignment. We got 20-inch Rocky Ridge wheels. We got 35-inch premium all-terrain tires. Got BFGs on there. Speedometer calibration. Body color pocket fender flares. Body black cab length side steps. Performance exhaust. All-weather floor mats. Tinted windows. Rocky Ridge exterior badging. Rocky Ridge what is that? Rocky Ridge serialization badge. Rocky Ridge windshield banner. Wow, all of that for just $16,640? Holy cow, that's actually not bad. Do you know how much just one of those BFGs are in 35-inch? Wow! Got a 5, let's hear it. Casey, we want to hear it. All right, let's, ooh, got exhaust coming out the side. Uh-oh, wait a minute, hold up. Let's see what we got. Dripping. Let's do a bit of a review here because I've gotten really excited and I got lost. So we got an F-150 V8, 10-speed automatic transmission, 6-inch suspension lift, 35-inch all-terrain tires, exhaust, leather interior. This is an awesome package. Fox Factory STX F-150. I totally apologize for getting the video out late.